Mobile ad networks. Mobile ad networks are also numerous in the sphere. All networks do not present the same options when it comes to optimizing the traffic. Focus on mastering in one ad can help you finding one winning campaign relatively fast. Some networks may have more traffic in certain regions of the world. Mobile CPA offers are likely to have geolocation targets. Thus, it is quite valuable to know the traffic inventory of the ad network you decide to specialize on. It is very important that when you start, you do not spread out your resources on multiple ad networks. The affiliate may have to learn how the ad network works, and this could help him or her come up with offers that are more likely to work with the network. But if a person is taking on his money and spreading his money on multiple ad networks, the quality of knowledge that he will be getting may not be the same. There are some details when it comes to mobile. You really want to be focused on a good ad network. Try to build some relationship there with your ad manager. Try to understand how the ad server works. What are the type of offers that are likely to work? You may also want to know what type of traffic is available there as well. It may be better for you in the long run if it may be also help you save time in the long run as well. It is hard to recommend mobile ad networks. This is because it seems that the quality of the service rendered can change as time goes on. It is really hard to say, okay, this is one great one, because I don't know how it is going to be in the future. But some ad networks that I am not necessarily recommending are Admoda, Leadbold, Tapit, Airpush, and Millennial Media. One very important thing that you may want to be able to do if you decide to work with an ad network is to be able to block site IDs. It is a feature that all of these networks do not necessarily make available. However, Tapit, Millennial Media have this feature. Site IDs are basically codes that are used to identify publishers on a particular ad network. Because the ad network may be composed of multiple publishers, these publishers can be applications, and instead of giving you the name of the application, you have numbers to identify these publishers. When you send your traffic to a particular offer and your remarks that one particular site ID is not performing well, being able to block this site ID could help you save money. As I was mentioning earlier, all ad networks do not have this feature, but it is a very important feature and it can make a difference in your ROI. So yes, it is very important to focus on one network and try to master it. It is true that it could be tempting to take an offer and try to run it on multiple networks when you're just starting. But the problem is that you have $2,000 and you're spread the $2,000 on 20 networks. You're going to be testing $100 per network, and this may really not be enough to help you master the network. You may have information about how to run the traffic on these networks, but it may not be the type of data that may help come up with the offers fast and have a certain understanding that makes it so that you somewhat know what type of offers are going to work. If you took this 2,000 and put it into only one ad network, I think that you will agree with me that the level of knowledge that you will be getting will be different. The more you spend on an ad network, the more valuable and helpful your ad manager may also be.